So, you have a new office.
Yes. It has an amazing view.
That is so nice.
So you will graduate soon, right?
Yes. I am really happy.
As you can see, today we're going to focus on analyzing the use of so in our conversations. Ready? Let's talk!
Your Language Studio presents Let's Learn English with Teacher Sari.
Hello! Welcome to your Language Studio. I am Teacher Sari, and in these videos, we're going to practice expressions that will help you improve your conversations. Before we begin, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the material that we upload weekly. Let's start! There are different ways that we can use so in our conversations. Listen to the following dialogues and analyze how we use so.
So, how was the meeting?
It was very good.
That is great.
So your birthday is next Friday?
Yes, we should go out.
Yes, we should.
There was a lot of traffic this morning, so...
Everyone was late.
So at the end, we all passed the class.
Great.
As you can see, we can use so to start a conversation or a topic. So, you're working on the project. So, your birthday is on Friday. So, you're going on a holiday. We can also use so to check that we understand something. So, everyone came to the party, right? So, your team finished the project, huh? So, your birthday is next Saturday, right? We can also use so to let someone else continue or finish a conversation. They all came to the party, so she arrived late. So the traffic was very bad. So finally, we can use so to end a conversation or a topic. So that's what happened. So at the end, everyone finished the project. So, because of the traffic, everyone was late. Now practice using so in your conversations. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your comments and thank you for watching. I am Teacher Sari and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye!